Gladiator X-Comp MT 33-inch tire in size 33 12.5 R20 is built for Ram owners looking for an extreme off-road performance 33-inch tire with an aggressive high traction design. Whether you're tackling deep mud, rocky terrain, or loose gravel, this tire delivers exceptional grip, durability, and toughness. If you need a rugged mud terrain tire that can handle hardcore trails while maintaining highway stability, the X-Comp MT is a solid option. Designed for maximum off-road traction, this Gladiator X-Comp MT features high void tread pattern with massive staggered shoulder lugs. This setup provides superior grip on loose terrain while also enhancing self-cleaning capabilities. So mud, snow, and debris won't clog up that tread. You just have to blip that throttle really quick and it should do a pretty good job of throwing everything out that's stuck in the treads to give you better grip again. The large voids are going to be great for grip on loose terrain and off-road performance, but that can sometimes be too much with excessive road noise and the vibrations on the pavement. So that's where this center rib comes in, and it's got a little bit tighter spacing, and that's going to give you better on-road performance than some of the other more traditional mud terrain tires that have large voids all around, making these a good balance for weekend warriors who still daily drive their rigs but need a little extra performance benefits when you're off-roading. The aggressive sidewall design not only looks tough, but offers added protection when crawling over rocks or navigating deep ruts. For those who push their rigs to the limit, this tire is rated for extreme durability. It features a 3-ply polyester sidewall, giving it extra resistance against punctures, cuts, and abrasions. Whether you're airing down for better traction or hitting technical trails, the reinforced construction ensures reliability in the harshest conditions. Built with highly durable materials, this Gladiator X-Comp MT is engineered for maximum load capacity while having long-lasting wear resistance. The tire casing is crafted with that full 3-ply polyester that we talked about and with a high sidewall turn-up. Also, the tread area comes with 2 full steel belts and 2 full nylon belts for a strong, long-lasting construction. The 3-ply polyester casing and that dual steel belted reinforcement provide added strength and stability, ensuring that this tire performs well under the toughest conditions. This cut and chip resistant rubber compound further enhances its ability to withstand extreme off-road abuse, making it an ideal option for rock crawling, mud runs, or just those overlanding adventures. Now, as far as pricing goes on this tire, it's coming in right around that upper 200s price range per tire, which is a pretty reasonable price point considering the excellent mud terrain performance, as well as the thoughtful engineering for better on-road performance than those traditional mud terrain tires. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up my review of the Gladiator X-Comp MT tire in 33 12.5 R20. And for all things Ram, keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.